Hello, you're welcome to today's lesson, and we are still dealing with Jamb mathematics. Today we are starting with coordinate geometry part 1. And we have two questions on the board to start. Question number 1. We are told to find the equation of the perpendicular at point 4,3 to the line this. And then number 2, find the coordinate of the midpoints of the line joining this. So, solution. Now, when two lines are perpendicular, it means that you multiply the gradients, it will give you -1. That means M1, M2 equal to -1, where M1 equal to gradient of line 1, M2 equal to gradient of line 2. So here, let us take this to be our line 1. So we have y plus 2x equal to 5, which we can rewrite as y equal to -2x plus 5. Therefore, our M1 is equal to -2. And if our M1 is equal to -2, that means that M2 is equal to -1 over M1. And that is equal to -1 over -2. That will give us half. So, continuing, that means that we have found our M2, and then we now apply our formula, which says that y minus y1 all over x minus x1 is equal to m. In this case, our y1, x1 is 4,3. So, and then our m now is half. So we have y minus y1 is equal to m bracket x minus x1. Now we know that x1, y1 is taken to be 4,3. 4,3. So moving on, we have y minus y1 is 3 equal to half bracket x minus 4. If we multiply 2 by 2, we have 2y, that is 2 multiplying everything, 2y minus 6 is equal to half times 2 bracket x minus 4. And you know that this place will divide, and that means that 2y is equal to, 2y minus 6 is equal to x minus 4. And then moving on, we collect your like terms. So 2y minus, now we can write that 2y is equal to x minus 4 plus 6, which we will have as 2y is equal to x plus 2. X plus 2 as our 2y. So our final answer should be 2y minus x equal to 2, or 2y minus x minus 2 equal to 0. So this is the equation of the line we are looking for. That is the end of question number 1. We go over to question number 2. And question number 2, we are looking at, we are trying to find the coordinate of the midpoint of the line joining this and this. And then we know that in finding the midpoint of a line, is given by the formula x equal to x1 plus x2 all over 2, y equal to y1 plus y2 all over 2. So from here we have our x1, y1 is equal to x1, y1 is equal to 3, comma minus 4, and then x2, y2 is equal to minus 1, comma 10. So substituting these values here, x should be equal to bracket our x1, x2, x1 is 3 plus x2 is minus 1, then all over 2, y should be equal to y1, y1 is minus 4, y2 is plus 10. Okay, then all over 2. Okay, this one will give us 3 minus 1 is 2 over 2. Then this one also will give us that's 6 over 2. So we divide. And then going over we have here we have 3 and here we have 1. So going over, therefore x is equal to 1, y is equal to 3. So therefore it means that midpoints or coordinates of the midpoints of the line is x, y, which is equal to 1, 3. Let me write it well. Of the line of the midpoints of the line is equal to x, y, which is equal to 1, 3. So that is the midpoint of the line we are looking for. We'll come to the end of the first two questions. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if there's any question, put it in the comment section so that I'll look at it in the next video. Thank you. I will see you in the next